Welcome to lock-in. I've got the Olympia OLY70038 38mm brass padlock. This is from Sainsbury's. I've had a little bit of trouble trying to pick it. I did try and do a video for you straight out of the package picking, but I failed. But I have noticed another little weakness on this, and that is the plug. There's no guiding around the plug. So what I'm going to try and do now is shim it. So here goes. Just show you it is locked. So what I'm going to do is take this shim and slide it, get rid of the hairs, slide it between the plug and the body up against the pins. And we should be able to lift the pins to the shear line and slide that shim through, and it's gone past the first pin. It's gone past the second pin. That's the third pin, the fourth pin, and the fifth pin. Now, if we take the tension wrench, you should be able to just turn that and open it. There we go. That's the Olympia padlock, opened with a shim. I'll take that shim out, and I'll just show you that it's a working padlock. And this is the first time the keys have been used. There's the bitting on the keys. I really do have no idea why I'm struggling so much to pick it, but we've opened it anyway. Open with a shim. Remember to only pick locks that you own and keep it legal.